background on my phone doesn't look so funky. The background in your camera, I'm sure, looks real funky. Social Curator includes 30 lifestyle photos, 30 caption templates, and monthly group coaching. And the best part is that we empower you to build your business on social media and build your brand every single day. I'm making an Instagram story. I actually want to show you what we've been up to. So come on in, I'm going to show you some sneak peeks, some good stuff on how you can do the same and build your business. So we are very excited for this month's issue of Social Curator because we aren't just talking about Instagram stories and how to use them to grow your business. We're actually providing done-for-you templates to ensure you don't have an excuse not to show up. So let's talk about the why. Like, why do I actually think Instagram stories are so vitally important? Well, it's another way to create a commercial, a micro commercial for your business that isn't as maybe perfect as something that would appear on your Instagram grid. So you're giving people insights into your daily actions, behaviors, keeping your business on top of mind, and driving engagement. Because anytime somebody sends you a quick reaction or votes on a poll or sends you a DM as a result of watching your story, it positively impacts the way the algorithm will show your account to them in the future when they log into Instagram. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes of how I do my stories and then show you how I'm actually using the Social Curator resources to make sure I'm being seen and shown and getting my stuff done on Instagram stories. So what am I doing now? I'm on the Social Curator website and I am going to download some of the Social Curator Instagram story templates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the photo and I am going to click on the upper right-hand corner where the arrow is to download that photo. And now I am going to save it. So now I have one story. So I'm gonna click back and now I'm on the second Instagram story and I'm gonna click on the right-hand corner to download the photo. And so now that I have these templates saved, what I'm going to do is hop back in to Instagram and do my story now. Now we came in from outside where I recorded a story and I saved it because I want to personalize each of these templates. So now I'm in stories and I'm gonna use one of the templates from Social Curator. Now this one says, hi, I'm excited to show y'all what? Well, this is where you get to talk about your business. If you are a life coach, you're gonna talk about, I'm excited to show you all how I do life coaching. If you're a dentist, I'm gonna show you my dental office. But right now, I'm gonna talk about Social Curator because this is what I would do. So I'm gonna modify and customize this template to make it feel more like my business. So I'm going to list Social Curator. I'm gonna drag it down towards the bottom. I already love the way that this is looking. Super stinking cute. And it's a template, but I was able to modify it. I'm going to post it to my story. And when I was outside, I recorded a video talking about Social Curator. So I'm using a template and then I'm personalizing it to be my own. I'm gonna put that here. And I am going to explain that I was talking about what comes on the inside of Social Curator in this video. I'm gonna post that to my story and let's go in. And I had recorded videos that were showing behind the scenes of what my business was and what it did. Okay, so this is where I am talking about behind the scenes sneak peek of my business. I'm gonna post that to my story. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this really quick story. Now remember, this was just a couple stories and I've used templates to save me time to bring people through the journey. Now the last template that I'm going to modify says, that's really what makes my business unique. Remember, what did I just show? Behind the scenes of Social Curator, what people are getting, the monthly coaching. And this says, that's what makes my business unique. Oh, now I get to modify it. So what do I think makes Social Curator really unique? The Social Curator community. Now I know that probably seems like really cheesy, but it's just the truth. So I'm going to write that the Social Curator community and our group coaching is what it makes it good. So I'm going to modify this and I'm going to add a little zhuzh to it. Now all I did was bring out the pen and I'm going over the pen so that I can highlight the Social Curator community. All I really want to do is have that text stand out from the background. And again, here I am making this template entirely my own. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to add, now I get so nervous saying this word because everybody always corrects me. I'm gonna add a GIF. Okay, some people say GIF or GIF. Every time I say it, I get so nervous, so I'm just not gonna say it. I'm gonna add a GIF because that's how I roll. Let's add this one, it's cute. It's a little tiny heart. And so what I have just done is I've customized a template to make it more my own. I'm gonna post it to my story. There you go. So the objective for this month is to show up on Instagram stories for 15 days straight. Now that's really hard for a lot of people, which is why at Social Curator we made templates to save you time, to give you directions, and the best part is to do it with a community of people who want you to succeed as much as they themselves are going to succeed. I have come to believe that your success is a foregone conclusion if you do the work, if you remain dedicated, and you do it with a group of crazy people who are hell-bent on your success. If you want to join us, please visit socialcurator.com, and I can't wait to root you on the inside.